Good morning, everyone. In Rivatar with you, and I have announcement. Today, I'm launching two new programs, which can be online and face-to-face if you in Dubai or willing to come to Dubai. And this is about mentoring one-on-one. First program is Unlock Your Soul Purpose. Living in your soul purpose, it's live in absolute joy and happiness within. This is to give something really truly valuable for the others, and this is the life without attachment to finance, attachment to opportunities, attachment to relationship, attachment to the plan that we plan by our mind. So basically, live in the soul potential, in the soul purpose, and live by our head. It's absolutely two different planets. If you never tried this soul purpose, of course, it's difficult to understand the quality of life that I'm talking about. But you may understand if it may resonate with you, if you constantly feel desire and call that you not live full potential, that you not live meaningful life at this moment. If you feel like you're working, you had some money, and then you just go to the bar and drinking, or all the time have bad mood, doesn't feel satisfaction, doesn't feel like you're doing something important and meaningful, that you have these thoughts like, I want to do this, but you think that my thoughts are so big, how I even speak them up. If you experience that, it means your soul purpose, your true desire, your true meaning, your true potential start to be awakened. It's asking to bring up. Your soul is talking to you. Listen, Ina, she able to help you. Yes, I able to. It's true. I able to see, able to understand what is your soul purpose, able to guide you to understand what is your soul telling you, and to live in this high potential soul purpose. It's to be a magnet of all the blessing and amazing things in our life, like the way how things unfolding in my life. I would never could plan this even. Of course, I have a map where I go. I have my planning. I'm working at this moment at 8 huge projects for total area I'm planning to cover. It's 250 million people. But on this way, achieving this project, the people and events unfolding for me, opportunity and colors and abundance and unlimited opportunities, that what is unfolding in my life, I would never ever could come out with my mind that it can be this way. So living in the soul purpose, it's kind of like have a VIP pass in life. You know, you don't have to wait for the taxi, you don't have to wait for roller coaster in the park, you don't have to wait for a queue in the restaurant. It's a VIP pass. Thank you, baby, so much. Thank you. And second program that I launching today is the Restore Your Faith. And originally, each and every one has that, because we and divine, it's one. It's never was separated for real. But there was some experience in our life where we could feel depression, where we could feel misunderstanding and disappointment, or something worse, or some loss or some pain, where we could lost or break our faith, our belief. So basically, we cannot live without belief. It's not possible. We always believe in something, but is that what you believe benefit your life or not? For example, if you can hear and see your vision, but your thoughts is saying, your belief is saying it's not possible, it's not realistic, it's, who are you to think this way? It's not for you. It's not gonna happen. If you think this way, it's mean that you believe, your belief, it's opposite in divine. You believe not in the source. You believe to the source. The source is a luck, and it's which absolute lie, because our source is unlimited, and we are source. We are never was separated with the source. So this program gonna give you, I'm gonna help you let go resistance, let go limitation beliefs. You will understand and develop art of allowing, art of receiving. Then you will understand algorithm of manifestation. With that formula, you can manifest anything in your life. Really, there are no limits. And of course, live in our faith. With our faith, it's to be unshakable. It's to be that influencer, that example that you want to be. That's why you come for this planet. And whatever you do, if you want to be example, even for your kids or your company or people who follow you, if you're influencer, life gonna give you more and more colors to try, and it's all unknown. And if we don't have our faith, or our faith is shakeable, broken, that colors can be not always a blessing. Yeah, only because all this alignment, manifestation, all this blessing and true influencer possible on the unconditional love, unconditional faith, unconditional, I know that I am loved, I know that I am protected, I know that universe is holding my back, like supporting my back. And you know about this goddess of fortune? She represents with closed eyes, because she only follows her heart. She doesn't care about reality, what is in front. She knows that this is the fog, this is the few seconds reality. But the true reality in our heart, which is love, which is never end, which is absolute blessing, which is abundance. This is the fortune, the goddess fortune. She always follows her heart. And she come to us and she reward us with all the blessing, with all the prosperity, with all the abundance. She come to us who was living life with faith. Live life with faith. It's to basically follow not what we see, follow what we feel. And it's the belief in invisible. It's the belief, like, I believe you without proof. I believe you without proof. It's not so easy, I know. I've been practicing this all my life. And I help people to restore belief in themselves, restore confidence, and restore faith in the divine. Without this, basically, achieve unlimited level, achieve alignment, achieve blessing, achieve receiving, it's not possible. Sadly, but it's true, because that's the point. When we so much, when our faith is unshakable, we can get anything we want to. Of course, I'm not talking to you now about walking on the water, but this is also only about difference in belief, what we believe that's possible. Okay, so stay tuned. Announcement with details and the pictures about this program will come out very soon. And you may choose one on another program, or you may take two. In that case, I'm gonna give you extra discount and present. Yeah, and of course, this is the VIP ticket for entrance to your life of color and abundance and blessing and joy. So all the best. See you very soon. Ciao.